In Delhi. Also the bridge over the river.
Salam children. So welcome class 4 to your EVS class. This is your EVS class and welcome class 4. All of you are staying at home. Stay at home and stay safe. पर घर में रहते हुए आपको मम्मी पापा को परेशान नहीं करना है। आप रोज वीडियोस देखिए, क्वेश्चन आंसर नोट कीजिए, पिक्चर्स बनाइए, एक्टिविटीज कीजिए और घर में रहने को भी एंजॉय कीजिए, है ना। सी चिल्ड्रन, टिल नाउ वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दैट एज ओमना वाज पासिंग थ्रू from the Allahabad towards the Goa and Kerala, she saw many green fields, mountains, rivers. She felt cool breeze, and in the Allahabad, she saw only stations and plains. The outer scene was not that much interesting or attracting. Now, when she was approaching towards the Kerala, she has passed over many tunnels and bridges. Yesterday only I have shown you one video on tunnel, and before that I have shown you video on bridge. Today I will show you one picture, two pictures of bridges, and you have to draw one picture in your copy. This is the activity for you for today. Now I am going to tell you some question and answer of the book, and with that our chapter will be progressing, developing, and you have to note down these question answers in your copy. Now see.
Ganga in Allahabad. Question number 7. What did you see below the bridge? Answer. I saw River Ganga below the bridge.
In this answer, you can write the name of any river, any road, any mountain or plain which you saw under the bridge.
Question number 8. Find out why bridges are made. Answer. Bridges are made to help us to cross rivers and uneven areas easily.
Why the bridges are made? So that we can cross the river. If someone is approaching towards from the one bank of river towards the other bank, then he or she should be able to cross it, and that is done by making the bridges. नहीं तो सभी को तैर के नहीं जाना पड़ता क्या? स्विमिंग करके नहीं जाना पड़ता क्या? स्विमिंग अवॉइड करने के लिए और इतना ढेर सारा सामान लेकर इतने ढेर सारे लोग जाकर कैसे क्रॉस होंगे, है ना। सो टू क्रॉस द रिवर्स एंड टू क्रॉस द अनइवन एरियाज इजीली। माउंटेन्स पे है, कहीं हिल्स है, कहीं रिवर्स है, कहीं एरिया ठीक नहीं है, बहुत ज्यादा ट्रैफिक है, तो इसलिए ब्रिजेस बनाए जाते हैं।
Now let's move to page number 57, question number 9. Have you ever been through a tunnel? How did you feel? Answer. Yes, I felt nervous while going through a tunnel. Question number 10.
So, as I have told you earlier also, that when we cross through a tunnel, it is all dark inside and we feel nervous when we pass through a tunnel.
The road from Goa to Kerala has total of 2,000 bridges and 92 tunnels. Why do you think there are so many bridges and tunnels? Answer. The route is full of mountains and rivers. That's why there are so many bridges and tunnels.
So, why from Goa to Kerala 2000 bridges and 92 tunnels? Why so many bridges and tunnels? Because it is hilly area. It is full of mountains and rivers. And to cross the mountains and rivers easily, tunnels and bridges have been made.
Now let's move to page number 58, question number 11. Imagine and draw in your notebook what Una saw under bridge with her train crossing. The picture is there on your screen. Notebook what Una saw under bridge with her train crossing.
See this picture I'm showing you on the screen. You have to draw this picture in your copy, the scene under the bridge. Trees, rivers, bridge, flowers, green fields, clouds above. You have to draw and color this picture in your copy.
The picture is there on your screen. Now let's move to question number 12. Imagine if on the way there had been no tunnel and bridges, how would Omna's train have crossed the mountain and river? Answer. If on the way there had been no tunnels and bridges, then a train cannot cross mountain and river without tunnel and bridges.
So, without tunnels and bridges, train cannot cross the mountains and rivers because mountain the area is uneven and rivers it is difficult to cross the river for such a great number of people with so much heavy luggage. So, if mountains and rivers would not have been there, then Omna's train would not have been able to reach to Kerala.
Question number 13. What language do you speak at home? Answer. I speak in my mother tongue, Hindi.
Now see children, some children speak in English also. Some children, those who are Maharashtrian, they speak Marathi. Those who are Keralite, they speak Malayalam. Those who are from Goa, they speak Konkani. So those who are from Gujarat, they speak Gujarati and Hindi. All of us know Hindi also. So whichever language you are using at home, you have to mention that thing. This is the general answer that we speak in Hindi at my home.
Question number 14. On the way from Gujarat to Kerala, Omna's train went through several states of our country. Find out and list which state it crossed. Answer. From Gujarat to Kerala, Omna train went through Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, etc.
So Omna's train went through Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, etc. while reaching towards the Kerala.
Question number 15. Did you ever have coconut water? How did you find it? Discuss. Answer. I had coconut water and bought it from fruit and vegetable vendor near my home.
So coconut water is available in the green coconut, unripe coconut. It is very tasty also. It is full of minerals also, and it is very much nutritious also. So from the fruit seller and vegetable seller, we can purchase the unripe coconut and we can have the coconut water. What the fruit seller do? It cut the mouth of the coconut and we insert a straw inside it and then we start drinking the coconut water. After that, the white part inside the coconut can be eaten as the malai of it. Now, you learn these question and answers and note down in your copy also. Thank you and Sairam. Now see children on your screen, you can see the picture of one bridge. You are seeing it is along a small, over the small river. You can see the slopes. People are moving from here and there. It is helpful to cross the water bodies. अभी रामायण में भी आपने देखा होगा कि भगवान श्री राम की वानर सेना ने रावण तक पहुंचने के लिए ब्रिज बनाया था, पत्थरों का ब्रिज। उसमें भी देखा होगा आपने, रामेश्वरम में वो आज भी है। वही उसी तरीके से आजकल के जमाने में सीमेंट के, आयरन के, स्टील के ब्रिजेस बनते हैं। ये ब्रिज की पिक्चर कलर्ड एंड द लाइंस के साथ ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है। आपको इन दोनों ब्रिजेस में से कोई एक ब्रिज अपनी कॉपी में ड्रॉ करना है। See, I'm letting you to show this bridge for some time so that you can easily watch this and draw in your copy. Hope all of you have enjoyed today's class. We will continue for tomorrow. Thank you and Sairam. Bye, children.